rebranding your channel or starting up a new channel, which is better? Putting up different niches on your channel, which is better? Well, in this video I'll be sharing my experience. Whoever that told you that you can put up different niches on a channel, on one channel, lied to you. Don't do it. It doesn't worth it. I mean, or maybe you can try it just like I tried, and experience will teach you more. Don't mind me, guys. Hey guys, welcome to this space. This is Grow with Stacy, and here I am going to be sharing my experience. And mind you, this is the first ever video I'm making showing my full self, because I am rebranding this channel. Drum roll. This is a brand new phase of a new content. You know, when you want to try different things, on a channel, your channel is your space, right? You can do whatever you want to do with it, so far it does not break the policy of YouTube. That was how I wanted to, try other niches on this channel. And coupled with the fact that I saw a video, sometimes when you want to do anything, you want to, look for, someone that will guide you. So I stumbled into this video talking about that you can put up different niches on a channel. Trust me, guys, I was so happy that okay, I have this thought of putting up different niches on this channel, and I was able to see a video talking about it. And I listened to the person. Person spoke about so many things you can do. That is your space. You can put up different channel. Algorithm will just suggest it to different people that need that particular content. That you can rebrand your channel if the niche you're doing you're no longer okay with it. You can put up different niches. That's how I said, let me try it. I tried it, and the results wasn't good at all. So I'll be sharing that experience here. And this is me saying that I am going into a new niche, not like I'm going to be putting up different niches, because I tried it and it did not work out for me. And mind you, I've tried rebranding this channel like 3 times. Started putting up different. I rebranded. I changed the name. It used to be Household Acts. I changed it to. And I wanted to, because I'm mostly a forest trader, I wanted to do a forest tutorial. I changed this to Forest with Stacy. I started making forest trading tutorial. It was going well. At a point, it got stuck to to few views. It wasn't doing well again. I was tired. When you put in effort creating content, making tutorial videos, and you upload the videos and no one watches, like, it's so discouraging. That was how I stopped putting up a forest trading tutorial, because trust me, it is not easy to make forest trading tutorial. A lot of effort you have to put into bring out a good quality video. So I stopped putting up forest tutorial, and I went into reaction videos, and I have to change the name to suit the reaction video I changed the name to celebrities, because I was reacting to celebrity lifestyle, events, and several other stuff surrounding celebrity in my country, so in Nigeria, of course. So I went into that as well, and a couple of videos did well, and at a point everything went down. Could it be the algorithm doesn't like me? What did I do? I was so tired about that, and I had to pause. Trust me, I had to pause. After a while, I had to return back to my initial content, interior decor content. I started making interior decor, going into different aspects of interior decor, household, everything concerning household, and my channel wasn't doing well, views and stuff like that. But this time around, I am fully rebranding. I am leaving interior decor content. So if you are a subscriber on this channel, do not go away, do not worry, because the content I'll be bringing going forward is going to benefit you. Trust me on that. I'll be bringing quality content that will benefit you. No matter the country where you are, you will benefit from that particular content. I'll be talking about how to make money online, how to become a good content creator, everything surrounding making content on this space. That is what I'll be going into. So if you are a subscriber already, do not worry, do not go away. And if you are seeing this channel, this video for the first time, you are welcome to join Grow with Stacy. Trust me, we are going to grow together in every aspect, in making money online, in growing your channel. If you're a small YouTuber and this channel is going to help you, I'll be sharing my experience, how I was able to grow this channel to 1,000+ subscribers within a space of 3 months. Yes, you heard me right, 3 months. I was able to meet up all the criteria that is required of a channel to get monetized. So I'll be sharing those ideas here. And this is not the only channel I have. I have other channels that have above 10K subscribers, and the other one that has also between 2K subscribers. So you can be rest assured that I'll be sharing my ideas, how I've been able to grow those channels and keep them alive and consistent. So that is the new content I'm going into, how to grow generally, both making money online and growing your channel on YouTube. So just stick with me and subscribe, like, and comment. So let's grow together. It's all about growth, so let's all grow together. So this is me saying that this channel is officially rebranded, like no more interior decor content. So I will not, though I will not be deleting my old content, they will still be there, but going forward I am going into a new content that benefits everyone, no matter where you are. It's going to benefit you. Thank you guys for watching.